The Tinytag Energy Logger is a safe and easy-to-use tool for testing and monitoring single and three-phase AC power usage in industrial applications. It can be used to monitor both individual devices and complete premises. The portable, self-configuring data logger is non-invasive and suitable for making spot checks around an installation or for longer-term recording of power usage. It will help identify when equipment is being used, times of peak load, how much energy is being consumed, and the overall assessment of energy efficiency. It can accurately record inductive and complex loads. The Energy Logger combines the level of performance required by experts with the simplicity of use required by those who are new to energy management. The unit records voltage, peak and average current, peak and average power, power factor, and energy consumption. The small, lightweight Energy Logger comes with everything needed to start monitoring straight away. It is supplied with 3 flexible clip-on coils, a mains cable, a user manual, a copy of Tinytag Explorer software and a USB cable for easy viewing of recorded data. To start using the logger, press the Function button. This will display the different wiring configurations supported by the logger. Select the one required. In this example, 3-phase with the voltage reference has been selected. Follow the instructions on the screen and connect the mains cable as prompted. Connecting the mains cable enables voltage to be recorded. Batteries are used when the unit is not connected to the mains. Then connect the coils. These are flexible to allow easy positioning into small or awkward spaces. They are large enough to go around conductors of up to 8.5 cm in diameter. The coils can be clipped around the cables either way up, as the logger will automatically detect which way the current is flowing and adjust accordingly. Automatic phase detection starts with on-screen prompts indicating whether the coils need to be adjusted if they have initially been placed too close together. Once the coils are correctly positioned and the messages disappear, press the record button to start the logging run. At this point, use the up and down arrows to scroll through the various readings on the display. Leave the logger for the desired time period, which will be up to 1 month on the default settings. This can be extended by changing the logging interval. The logger has an integral magnet, so it can be securely attached in a convenient location. To end recording, press the button again. The unit can be moved from one piece of equipment to another, recording individual data files for future downloading and analysis. Simply start recording again when the logger is set up on the next piece of equipment. To download and view the data, install the Tinytag Explorer software and plug the logger into the computer using the USB cable. Then select the Get Data command. A folder opens showing all the data files which are timed and dated for ease of identification. On opening a file, the recorded data is clearly illustrated as a graph. The Trace selector in Tinytag Explorer enables the properties required for viewing to be selected. For example, current, voltage, power, and power factor data. A zoom option allows more detailed viewing of selected data. As the zoom range is changed to look at data in more detail, the kilowatt hours figure updates automatically to reflect the view being shown. A table of readings provides more comprehensive data if required. Graphs and tables can easily be copied and pasted or exported into standard software packages to create reports. The Energy Logger is safe, accurate, and easy to use. The Tinytag Explorer software allows individual logging preferences to be set to suit particular requirements, making it a flexible and cost-effective solution for assessing energy usage in a wide range of industrial applications. For further information, visit our website www.tinytag.info, email sales@tinytag.info, or call our UK number 01243 813 000.